Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to restore a phone icon to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S21. So basically, if you had a phone icon right here and you deleted it by accident, don't worry, you haven't deleted it from your phone, but just from your home screen. And now it's laying in your app drawer. So to restore it, open up your app drawer and find your phone app right here, or anywhere else on your app drawer. So now click and hold on your phone, swipe to the left. Oh wait, drag here to add home screen. So drag it to upper part of your screen and then back to the place it was previously. So basically like this. So that's it, that's how you restore a phone icon to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S21. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.